Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how you can find courses on Teachable. Finding courses on Teachable is straightforward. Teachable is a popular platform for creators to share their knowledge and skills through online courses. And in order to join into a course, first of all, go ahead and open up a web browser on your computer and type in teachable.com and log into your account. After you are logged into your Teachable account, go ahead and get to this School I'm Enrolled in category and select your school. Now, you will be taken to a next page where you will be able to see all of the courses categories that you can join into. Go to the search bar at the top right corner and enter the keywords related to the topics that you are interested in. After you go ahead and do that, click on one of the courses you'd like to join into. Now, start your course by clicking on the Start Lesson button. And that's how you will be able to join into a course by finding one on Teachable. Now you can start exploring wide varieties of topics, flexible learning, high quality content, and affordable options. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.